Hello guys, welcome to Java Core programming course. I am hopeful that you are doing very good for the previous lectures and practicing Java programming. Section 1, Lecture 4. Today's lecture is about arithmetic operators, integer division, precedence, and programming example. Okay, arithmetic operators. There are 5 arithmetic operators in Java that are addition operator, that is plus, minus, subtract operator, multiplication operator, division operator, and a modulus operator. Plus addition, all these 5 operators are binary operators. They need 2 operands on left and right to operate. So plus operator adds 2 numbers, and it is also overloaded to concatenate strings. We will discuss more on concatenation when I will go for the section on Java string class and wrapper classes. Subtraction, the minus operator or subtract operator subtracts the left hand operand to the from the right hand operand from the left hand operand. Multiplication operator multiply 2 operands. Division operator divides right side to the left side from the right side, and this is integer division. And if the operands are floating point numbers, it will retain the fractional part. Modulus operator, this will return the remainder of division. Division operator returns quotient of division. Okay. Precedence. In Java, operators are left associated other than OOP equal to operator. I will discuss that in the 5th or 6th lecture, I think, when I will discuss assignment operator. So other operators are left associated, binary operators. Unary operators are right associated. Arithmetic operators are binary operators. They need 2 operands to operate or carry out their operation. Precedence implies which operator has priority over the other. If two or, two or more operators appear to have the same precedence, if in a statement 2 operators appear that has the same precedence, then the leftmost will execute first, because these binary operators are left associated. So in all the 5 arithmetic operators, multiplication, division, and modulus have the same precedence. They will operate first. If 2 of them appears in a statement, the leftmost will be operated first. Then come the plus and minus. Plus and minus both have same precedence. Same rules applies. If plus and minus both appear in same statement, the leftmost will operate first. Hello guys, let's start practicing arithmetic operators and integer division. Let's create lecture 4 class, lecture 4, add main method. Let's declare and initialize some variables. Let's say int x is equal to 5, int y is equal to 3, and int z is equal to, let's say 12. Okay, first addition. Okay, int result is equal to x plus y. Let's print these. System x, y, and z. Okay, now let's print the result. X plus y is equal to result. Okay, now division, subtraction. Result is equal to z minus x. Z x. Okay, let's do multiplication. Result is equal to x multiplied by y. Let's print it. X, y, and result. Let's put the operators here and multiplication. Okay, now division. Result is equal to z divided by x. Okay, now second example, z divided by y. Z, y, and result. Okay, let's first run these. Let's add modulus. Result is equal to z percentage x. And second example, result is equal to z percentage sign modulus sign y. Z, y, and result. Okay, we need to put 2 percentage sign to escape them. Okay, let's run it to see the outputs. Then we will discuss how it happens. Okay, these are the results. So over first operation, first we printed x, y, z values 5, 3, and 12. X plus 5, x plus y, that is 5 plus 3, that should be 8. This is 8. Okay, next we subtracted z, that is 12, and x. So 12 minus 5, 7. This is our result. Okay, next. Subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication, x multiplied by y, 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. This is 15. Okay, next, division. This is important to understand. Basically, this is integer division. In integer division, the decimal or fractional point discarded. So z is 12 and x is equal to 5 and it is divided. So we have a quotient of 2 and remainder 2, that is discarded. So we will get only 2, that is the quotient. This is how integer division is carried out. The fractional part discarded when both the operands are numeric values of integers or long numbers. So next, z is divided by y. Y is 3 and z is 12. So our result is 4. So we get a whole number. So nothing is discarded. So no information is lost. It is important whenever you do division in Java, you must understand if both the operands are integer, there will be integer division. And in integer division, if the number does not divide it equally, the fractional part will be lost. Modulus operator. Modulus operator operates on integers. It takes two operands and perform a division and return the remainder of the division. So z is 12, x is equal to 5, and when we divide it, we get 2 quotient and 2 remainder. So it will return 2. 2 is the remainder of the division. That was last in this division. Okay, next, z is divided by y. Z is 12, y is 3. So 3 equally divides 12 4 times and remainder is 0. So it returns only 0, nothing else, because there is no fractional part. This is how modulus operator operates. Okay, I have discussed all the 5 arithmetic operators. Now, precedence. How precedence works? Let's see, we have a statement x multiplied by y plus z. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3, and x multiplication sign has more precedence. So these two operators operate first and this one operate later. So 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15 and plus 12 should be 27. Let's print the values. X multiplied by z and plus and result. X y and z and result. Let's print it. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 3 operated first, we get 15. Then we added 12 and it becomes 27. So if a operator has more precedence, it will be operated first. Now in case of same precedence, okay, let's the result is equal to x multiplied by y and divided by, let's say, x again. Okay, let me print it. X, y and x. Okay, and let me change the symbols. This is multiplication and this is division. Okay, so x multiplied by y and y, the y divided by x. Both multiplication and division have the same precedence. So which one will be operated first? If we consider division operates first, we will get 0 here. Y is 3 divided by 5, we will get 0 due to integer division, and multiply by x, it should be 0 result. But this is not how Java operates. Java operates in this case like this. If two operators have the same precedence, like multiplication and division, it operates the leftmost, then it operates the next one. So x multiplied by y will operate first and the result will be 15. Then divided by x, that is 5, and 15 divided by 5 should be 3. Let's check it. Okay, see, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, divided by 5 and result is 3. This is how operator precedence operates in Java statements. Thank you guys. This is the whole lecture, and please subscribe to the channel and promote the content, and see you in the next lecture. Have a good day.